Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we are kicking things off with an amazing product that you can find on IPSY Shopper. So this is Trust Fund Beauty's lip gloss in Evil Genius. It's a really amazing vampy red lip that is just gonna be the perfect like transition shade into your autumn wardrobe, if you know what I mean. Red lips are honestly a classic staple all year round, but for all of the New York Fashion Week Fall and Winter 2018 shows, we saw them all over the catwalk, especially at the Brandon Maxwell and Kushni Aox shows. So this lip gloss is actually very moisturizing and it is vegan and cruelty free, and I'm wearing it on my lips as a topper today so you can kind of see what it would look like as a topper. But honestly, red lips is just such a mood. It means so many different things to so many different people, so we thought it'd be fun to bring over some of our amazing Open Studios members and talk to them about how they feel when they're rocking the rouge.
I feel that wearing a red lip it's unique. It's out of, it can be very out there. So you have to own it. When you have a red lip, you have to own it all the time.
When I'm wearing red lipstick, I feel very bold and confident.
When I wear red, I feel fierce and unstoppable. I feel really, really confident.
When I wear a red lip, I feel amazing. Like, I personally love it. It's not only like a sexy feeling, but it's also powerful.
I feel really good. Red lips are like really empowering, and it makes you feel like beautiful and like you could do anything.
The moment I put on red lipstick, I feel like I've got a little more class, a little more sass to my walk, Gives me a little more attitude.
When I was in first grade, I actually won this award for writing a story about my twin brother. I used to force him to wear red lipstick and I won that award. They actually reenact my story into a play about red lipstick. I always wanted to be like a makeup artist or something, so I would always practice on him.
My mom used to wear red lips all the time. I was asked her, Mom, why do you always wear red? Can't you just wear something else? Because there are so many colors. But she would insist on wearing red, and that's all I can remember her wearing.
I have a lot of red lipsticks. I feel like each one is so different, but we have warm tone red lipsticks, we have orange tone red lipsticks, and then we have my favorite cool tone red lipsticks. Those make your teeth look whiter, which I love. They're more cherry colored, which I love absolutely.
We're supposed to wear a lipstick or a little bit of lip color for our show in theater. I stole my mom's lipstick and I put on way too much and I got in really big trouble.
I try to keep that red lipstick energy, as I like to call it, with me even when I'm not wearing makeup, even when I'm not dressed up, because it's more an attitude, but the right shade always helps.
For me, the confidence would be just holding yourself high, owning the color, owning your personal look. The lip color will add the extra effect to your outfit, so you have to make sure that you're confident in yourself.
Because I wear the scarf, people think we're shy, but I like to be very outgoing with my appearance. I like to do the opposite of what people think. So like wearing red lipstick, I feel like makes me look very confident and loud.
It's so unusual to have red lips, loud lips. That's why it makes me feel confident. The color is so bold, it makes me feel fierce.
I feel like I perceive like a boss. Like, I love that word. I feel so good when I'm wearing it. My body language changes and the way I'm perceived is more stronger, I feel like.
I feel really empowered when I wear a red lip because it's one of those things that it just like completes the transformation of makeup for me. And it just makes me feel like myself, and it makes me feel like I can do anything, and it's so simple. It's really, really empowering.
The reason why red is such a fierce color, because it's the color that we identify with passion and fire. It's proof that we have that within us. But then when you put that on, it's you identifying yourself with that ferocity that you have within.
When I wear a red lip, I honestly feel way more confident. It definitely gives me like a little boost. And I think it came from when I was growing up, because I would always wear red lips for my figure skating competitions. So I think that kind of like instilled some sort of confidence booster, which is awesome. But let me know in the comment section, how do you feel when you are wearing a red lip? Now we're just 2 weeks away from Halloween, so we definitely wanted to serve up some more Halloween inspo. And this one is a classic, but the best part is you probably already have everything you need to create this look. Something Katrina did that I thought was pretty cool was that she used that black eyeshadow to give the look of those severely contoured cheekbones. And Halloween is definitely the time and the place to just have fun with makeup and use traditional products in unconventional ways. For me, one thing that's like probably my #1 Halloween makeup tip is to use a really light colored foundation instead of white face paint, similar to what Katrina did, just because it's gonna hold way better throughout the day or the night whenever you're wearing it, and it's not gonna like crease or wear off or just get gross looking like a lot of traditional face paints might. So tell us in the comment section, what products have you guys found unconventional uses for Halloween? Thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we'll see you next time. Bye.